Okay, so here we're going to do a quick tour in Keynote when it comes to modify the master slides in the theme. So when you start, of course, you have a choice of the ratio of the presentation. Please avoid the 4:3 ratio. It looks like a square, as you can see. That relates to old televisions or old screens. It's been a long time now since we're using a 16:9 ratio for screens. So please make sure you select the proper layout. All right. You better want to start with a blank white design so you can create your own design, colors, fonts, etc. So this is a basic document of presentation. So the first thing you want to do is go here on the top left corner. You see presentation, you click there, and then you choose to modify the master slides. So there's a blue line here, as you can see at the bottom. It shows you that you are actually working on the master slides. So just a quick example here. You can select the text, you can change the font easily. In my case, I would choose a railway. Now there's an asterisk there. As you can see in the text panel on the right, there's an asterisk, so you can update this, or you can click on the arrow and add a new paragraph style. So if you update it, it's going to update on the rest of the presentation. So everything that uses the actual paragraph style, it's going to apply everywhere. So that's one thing. You can do the same thing, of course, with the other not graphic, but the other paragraph style. So you can update. You can also change the color. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. And as for the background, you can choose to fill with a picture. Instead of mosaic, I'm going to choose fill. And then you can click on choose in order to choose the actual image you want to use as a background. In this case, I already had cover background prepared. So I'm going to fill it just like that. All right. So in this case, I might want to change the color actually here of my title, but there are basic colors there. You can also create your own by clicking here. RGB colors, CMYK colors, well, it's up to you. So you have a few options there when it comes to colors. So I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to update. All right, so of course, if you have different fonts installed, you can look at the weight. You have options there. I'm going to update again. So that would be it for me for the master slide for the title and subtitle. And just a quick other example here. Now, as you can see, it didn't change here because it's not the exact same type as I changed before. So I'm going to change it quickly here, railway, and then update. So in this case, I want to have a different background. So it's also a picture. Then I'm going to choose another image. I'm going to choose a light, pretty much a light background. All right, so you can always make some changes such as aligning your text on the left, on the right. Well, it's up to you. You can do so many things. You can add graphic elements such as lines, shapes, etc. So for example, this is a line. And once you add a graphic element to your master slide, it's going to apply actually everywhere, right? So there's a huge advantage of working just a few minutes actually on your master slides. It's really worth it actually. So anyway, so I'm just giving you a quick basic examples. So let's say I'm very happy with that, all right? I can duplicate this slide, Command D on my Mac, or right click and duplicate it, and in this case just change the background and change, of course, the color of my body type. So in this case, instead of updating, I'm going to click on the arrow and choose paragraph style with a plus sign here. And instead of body, it's going to be body, but white, right? So there you go. So as you can see quickly, but of course I would have made a few other changes, but I already created my own personal slide. So once you're done, you click here and you can add new slides, then choose. So you're going to be able to create your own title, etc. There you go.